Have you ever wondered if common air conditioning hacks actually work? And who came up with them in the first place? That common energy-saving trick of closing vents? It could be destroying your system and costing you more. It's not just that. A thermostat off by only 2 degrees can push your system into overdrive, causing premature failure. Your home's comfort system is filled with these hidden traps that drain your wallet and threaten your safety. Here, we will expose the biggest local threats, dismantle dangerous myths, and show you why correct diagnosis is your best shield. First, you have to understand the setting. Hurst's long, hot, and humid summers. This specific climate puts constant, extreme strain on your AC, far more than in milder regions. Because of this, the most frequent reason for failure isn't age. It's restricted airflow from dust, debris, and clogs. Your system sends warnings before it breaks, but the signs are easy to miss, like a grinding sound or frequent cycling. You might hear those sounds, but do you know what is happening inside the machine? Let's look at refrigerant. Here is a critical truth. Refrigerant is not a consumable like gasoline. In a sealed system, it should never run low. If you need a refrigerant top-up every summer, you don't have a consumption issue. You have a leak. This leak does more than warm your home. These chemicals harm the environment, which is why the EPA regulates their repair. So we've seen how ignoring subtle signs leads to big problems. What happens when homeowners try to fix it themselves? Putting off a minor fix rarely saves money. It almost always escalates, turning a small job into a total system replacement. The cost is also to your health. Neglected systems circulate dust, allergens, and mold, degrading your home's air quality. Prevention can be simple. Keeping just 2 feet of clear space around your outdoor unit ensures correct airflow. Clearing away leaves is easy. But what about the repairs that appear simple? This is where the real danger begins. You might believe you can save a few dollars with a DIY repair. But are you aware of the life-threatening risks involved? Your HVAC system uses high-voltage components. One wrong connection can lead to severe electrocution or an electrical fire. The danger multiplies with furnaces. An improper repair can cause a natural gas leak, creating an explosion risk. Worse, a damaged heat exchanger can silently fill your home with deadly, odorless carbon monoxide. And those refrigerants? They're toxic. Improper handling can cause severe health problems, requiring EPA certification to manage. So, the few bucks you might save are not worth the risk of fire, explosion, or poisoning. This is why professional diagnosis and repair are non-negotiable for your family's safety. We've seen the risks and the myths. So how does it all connect? Let's put the pieces together. Remember closing vents to save energy? And the #1 cause of failure in Hurst? Restricted airflow. This smart tip directly creates the exact condition that kills HVAC systems in the North Texas climate. It is the same principle with leaky ducts. Conditioned air escapes, airflow drops, and the system overworks for nothing. So, a common myth, a hidden flaw, and simple neglect all create restricted airflow, leading to system failure. A homeowner might fix one symptom, but a professional diagnosis sees the entire system, connecting airflow to safety. The core lesson is this: proper HVAC diagnosis isn't a cost, it is an investment in your home and your safety. The goal is prevention through regular maintenance. This extends your system's life to 15 or 20 years and keeps warranties valid. This philosophy of proactive care and expert knowledge is the best way to keep your HVAC system in working order as long as possible. Don't wait for warning signs to become a catastrophic failure. Don't gamble with your safety on a DIY attempt. Arm yourself with knowledge and trust qualified technicians for accurate diagnosis and repair.